This is why you need TikTok in your 2024 money-making toolkit. Hey, TikTok creators, ever wonder how to make those viral dances pay off? Let's dive into the top money-making secrets for 2024. First up, brand deals. Partner with companies that vibe with your content and watch the cash roll in. The more genuine you are, the more they'll love you. Next, Go Live. TikTok Live allows fans to send virtual gifts that convert into real money. So, bring your A game and engage with your audience. Don't sleep on the Creator Fund. TikTok pays you for the views and engagement you get on your videos. More views equals more money. Simple math, right? Finally, merch and shoutouts. Sell your own products or give fans personalized shoutouts for a fee. Chachi. So there you have it. The secrets to turning TikToks into bank accounts. Now go out there and make 2024 your most profitable year yet. Like and follow for more tips.